Hey team, this is just a quick video about research and questioning. We are going to be doing a lot of research for this project that you're doing alongside our extension group. And this particular example of a video is going to show you how to gather information and then what to do with the information once you've found it. So first things first, I'll show you the internet, a place that you guys are very familiar with. I'm on Google. And the thing that I've searched this morning is space information for kids. Okay, so I always add for kids to the end of my statement when I'm typing into Google so that I can get kid-friendly information, because otherwise the information can just be a bit overwhelming. Now, I really encourage you to not just look at the first part of the Google here, but always to go to videos, have a look at the news, because the news is actually really interesting. It's always got current information that is applied to whatever you've looked up. So if you're looking up black holes, if you're looking up Jupiter, or if you're looking up Mars, it has current information about what is happening right now. So that's always really good. Of course, images, we all know. This one's really simple because it's got some really great maps of the solar system, which you guys will all need at some point during your project. I'm back here. Now, as we scroll down, you'll see a number of different websites, and I encourage you to look at all of them. They are all going to be very, very different, and they're all going to have their information organized in different ways, and you'll be able to benefit from each of them. The one that I'm focusing on today is this one. At the moment, I was just getting some basic information for us, just so that we could have a look and think about what direction we wanted our project to go in. So I've chosen 2 quotes from this website and I've pasted them into my book. So my book is electronic, obviously, so that you guys can see what I'm doing. The first quote that I've chosen is, "The solar system formed around 4.6 billion years ago." Okay, so that was my first quote that I found, and I've actually kept track of the website that I got it off, because that's really important for later on, because I will be asking you where you got your information from, especially because I don't want you to be copying it directly from the internet. Now, the solar system formed around 4.6 billion years ago. That is a very big statement. So I've got some questions. My first question is, how do they know this? That's a big question too. So focusing on the time and then how. My other question is also another how question. How did it all begin? Okay, so these questions are really getting to the nitty-gritty of what I want to find out now. This is like me making a KWL chart, but a bit more intense. And I'm actually getting to the real bottom of the questions. So I'm getting myself some information, and then I'm asking myself more questions, because I really want to find out as much as I can. The second quote that I've taken from the website today is, "The sun is over 300,000 times larger than Earth." Okay. How did they measure the Earth and the sun? Do you think they use kilometers, or do you think they'd use a different form of measurement? So I'm just going to put kilometers, ? Because I feel like surely they're very, very large. They'd need some other form of measurement, because this unit might not be big enough. And next up, how does Earth compare to other planets? Now, again, this question This has opened up something else for me. I'm now thinking about Earth and want to compare it to other planets. What's the average temperature? How large it is? Has it got extra moons? Where is it positioned? That sort of thing. So again, these quotes are just reigniting some questions in my mind. So I think before you get started on your project, find some facts, find something